Hi, welcome back, guys. And there is another opening. OMG, there's so much opening coming nowadays, and I'm going to put every opening on my channel. So please stay tuned with my channel. So the another opening is from Disney Cruises, and the opening is for the dry cleaning specialist. Yes, guys, this is the opening. Now, what is the requirement for this job? It's very simple, but guys, if you're already working on a cruise ship, then only you can apply for this position. Now, this is the requirement. Prior shipboard experience as a dry cleaner specialist is mandatory. Valid US C1D visa, be at least 21 years of age, and able to speak, read, and write fluent English, and 10 pass compulsory. So this is the requirement. Now how to apply for this job if you have all this requirement? So this is how you need to apply. You need to log into www.airbornerecruiting.com. This is the agency which is located in Mumbai. They are hiring for Disney Cruises. Now the email address is info@airbornerecruiting.com, and if you are sending an email, please mention which position you are applying for. Thank you.